Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about these Matchbox. Where are they? We're on. But guys, I'm going to use my special power support to make them come back, okay? Okay guys? Boom! There we are. Here are the Matchbox that I have. So yeah guys, here they all are. I do not really review Matchbox that much. But today I got a Bugatti Divo 2018. This car is really rare. You can't just go in a Walmart and just walk in and find one easy. No. This is really hard to find. Like literally, this is really hard to find. A Bugatti Divo. I didn't order this online. I worked hard. I've been waiting months. I've been wanting this. But finally I got it. The Bugatti Divo. I finally got it. Look at that. It's even got the Bugatti company. And then here I got 1993 Plymouth or something. And Sedan. Whatever. This car is a weird car. It kind of looks like a Rolls Royce or something. And then, you know what's weird in the background? Look, I just want to show you one thing. Look at the road. Look how narrow it's going down. Look, just imagine, look, this is like the road event. It's going like straight down. Really, it's just going like straight down. Like there's a little, you got your car, you go up, and then you go down fully. And then look at that Jeep, it's just going down, and that car is just going to fall down to the ground. I'm just surprised how this car is even alive. But yeah, and also we got a Corvette. So here we got 2020 Corvette C8. So it's pretty cool. It's Corvette C8. Look at it. It's actually a pretty cool car. I did not know they made a new one. I was not too sure if they made a new one. But yeah, let's open one. I want to go Corvette. The 2020 Corvette C8. So yeah, here we go. Let's open it up. Here we go. It'll come out. So yeah, guys. Here is a 2020 Corvette C8. It's pretty nice. So, like, it's got a nice blue color. It is just really beautiful. But yeah, guys. It's really nice. It's got a nice blue color too. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love it. It's a mirror right here, but let's put on the rotator. Oh no. Here we are. Here's. So yeah, let's just go on to the next car. Okay, let's just go on the 1993 Plymouth Sedan. This is a really weird car. I thought it was a Ford at first. It was at the store, but no, it's some Plymouth or something. Is a car that has a mouth? I don't know. Plymouth. Apply a mouth. And also, like, the thing is really big. Why did they got to make the packaging so big, though? I don't get dough. Beep. Just open it up. Let's open the Plymouth 1993. Oh my god, that's it. Oh my god, wait. So here is the Plymouth 1993 Sedan. This car is like really nice too, and also the car's blue. It got that feeling. It looks like a Ford, a little bit of a Rolls Royce. It's even got extra tire. Oh yeah, if you pop one tire. But yeah, here's roll around. I'm gonna try my 1993. Oh no! I guess put it here. And get you here. Here it is. So yeah, guys, let's talk about the last and final car I've been waiting for. The 2018 Bugatti Divo. Oh my god, it's a beauty. I love it. I've always wanted to get it. But yeah, let's open it. But Let's see if this is actually gonna work. Let's see. Okay, it does not work officially. I guess it's just there for style, I guess. It's also gonna be really gentle. Not really. Oh my god. Literally. Okay, here is a Bugatti Divo. Ooh, this car is beautiful. This car is really big and extended. It's got like a cool face. It's got like a nice front that looks like a Chiron. It kind of looks like a Chiron a little bit. And the back, it's even got like, it's more beautiful. Like literally, it's beautiful, man. Oh, it kind of looks like a Bugatti Noir a little bit, but it's a Bugatti Chiron. No, I mean Bugatti Divo. And also it's got some blue interior. No back seats because it needs to go fast. So there you go. Let's just see how fast it goes. Let's see the handling on this. Okay, the handling on the car is like I don't know why, but this car feels like it goes really fast. But yeah, guys. Okay, let's put it on here. I'm excited. Oh, it's beautiful. So yeah, guys, if you've been wondering, why is the sanitizer here? Because, you know, the whole thing is going on. Everybody's putting on sanitizer. So yeah, guys, I just want to let you know, sanitize your hands. Don't really touch your face a lot. You want to keep on sanitizing, so kill all the germs. And also keep on washing your hands. So yeah, guys, and also stay safe. But yeah, guys, I'm just rub my hands. Gotta do everywhere if you don't want anything. Okay, but guys, this is the end of the video. But I want to get all the cars and put them here. But no, I actually want to put them on here. I need to first turn it off. There we go. And then now I can put it for you guys. Yeah. Please do not fall off. And here we go. Much better. Na 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 na. Here we go. And also some sanitizer. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to like the video, turn on notifications. Subscribe to my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to never miss a video. And also, guys, stay safe, drink lots of water, and put on your seatbelts. Yay! Bye bye.